Okay, you guys, we are at week 6 of our outdoor living space makeover challenge, and this week we are giving you the breakdown of our budget. Now, I had set my budget between $200 and $250, and I found out really quick that that was not enough. Things have increased, the prices have increased so much. The containers, the plywood, the curtains, the flowers, the containers, everything had increased. And I went over budget by $83.92. That wasn't a huge amount, but I did want to stay in budget. However, I hope you guys will enjoy the outcome. Okay, you guys, what I'm going to share with you now is what the she shed looked like before the makeover. So these first few clips will be some before, few after, and then I will share with you the reveal. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Face, and you guys, today makes week number 6. Yes, 6. Now, which game you use, it's week number 6. I am so excited. I can hardly wait to share with you guys what's on the inside, but I need you to wait just a few minutes for me as I thank Wani for hosting this collaboration, as I thank the other participants for participating, as I thank my subscribers for showing up and showing me so much love and support. Thanks to my new subscribers that became a part of my family. But I need to thank my husband once again, you guys. The journey has been a little rocky and rough, as I stated last week. And the reason being is because right as we started this journey, I had to have an MRI of my right shoulder. This is something that has been going on for a while, but the pain has just started to get so rough that I could hardly sleep at night. You know, the journey's just been rough. So I got the MRI, and it revealed that I do have a torn rotator cuff here. So as I was discussing with my husband, you know, I'm the type of person, if I tell you I'm going to do something, I'll do everything in my power to get it done. If I commit to something, I want to do everything to stay committed. So as I was discussing with my husband what the journey was and what was going on, and his words to me were, what can I do to help you? And you guys, because of him, I was able to stay committed, and I was able to work along with him. We worked together as a team, and we got this done. So I am excited. I can hardly wait to share with you guys. So what I'm going to do is first share with you my wreath that I made here. This mesh wreath for my door. As you guys remembered, the wreath before was yellow, and so here I've given a little multicolor here. And I am going to now take you on the inside, and I hope you will enjoy the journey. But please pay attention to what the front entrance looked like in comparison to what it looked like before. I was able to get up my I had my blinds installed. I have my curtains put up. I have a new rug. And you guys, everybody is starting to cut grass. So I'm going to cut this short. And I hope you guys will enjoy the inside. Be blessed, you guys. And if you're new to my channel, you want to become a part of, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming uploads. Be blessed and enjoy the video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. You guys, I appreciate you all. Hey guys, this is the loft space that was created by my husband by adding the plywood and the wood beams up at the top there for that extra storage on top. And as you recall before, it was a mess, but you can see now it's all looking so good, and I am so happy. These containers, the clear ones, as you can see, you can pretty much see what's on the inside of all of them. This table here is the one that I shared with you guys last week. I've added some legs to it, put some contact paper onto it, and created me a work desk or work table, whatever you choose to call it. But I am so excited and so happy and so pleased of the outcome of everything. Blinds installed, curtains are from Amazon, blinds were from Lowe's. And you see the contact paper here that I chose to use, which was some that I'd already had. You know, without having to buy anything, I just pretty much used stuff that I had already. My little Tyler TV I have sitting there. I've had that since 2017. So I thought it would be a good little fit out here for me. It will work via battery or outlet. And then my chandelier light here, I purchased it from Lowe's. It was on clearance for $34.95. I thought it was perfect for this space. And then you see my Gigi's She Shed sign that I purchased from Amazon. I had that created. So I just decorated this little ladder here that I painted. Hubby and I painted, I think it was week 3. Maybe it was week 4, DIY week. And then this is the rug that I shared with you guys that I had rolled, and I had purchased it in 2020. Now the little rug that you see underneath the table there, that was a new purchase. It was $9.99 from Ollie's. So you guys continue to enjoy the video and let me know what you think about my sheared curtains that I have used to divide my space. I would love to know your thoughts and your opinion. I did have to purchase more curtains because the ones that I had were not giving me the dramatic feel or look that I was going for. So these are the extra long, and they are for indoor, outdoor, but they are just so dramatic. And I love the look. So I'm going to share with you what's actually behind the curtains. This vacuum cleaner, I purchased it from the thrift shop on Base, and it was $15. And you guys, this vacuum cleaner has so much suction power. My goodness, a great vacuum cleaner.
There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. And there's no more fears left in me. I can see you light my way, and you're always near. There's no